up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this episode we're going to head over to Krazy Horse. They've just recently become a Royal Enfield dealer, so I'm just going to head over there and test ride one of the bikes. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be on yet, but I've heard great things about these bikes. A couple of friends have ridden some, and a couple of friends have got some, so I just thought it'd be a great opportunity to just kind of razz around. The weather's a lot worse this week than last week, which is a bit of a shame, but I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. With us, which should be really cool. Looking forward to seeing him as well. It'll be nice. Right, it's a bit of a mix of weather today. It's really blue skies in places and then really dark in others. The weather apps do say that it might rain, so hopefully the weather holds up for us, but we'll see. I don't really want to leave my shovel outside in the rain, but can't help it this time of year, to be honest with you.
Dash, so it can be just used as a normal digital display, but if you have the Royal Enfield app, it connects to it and you can run by Google Maps. So the classic models have this old traditional like analog speedo. Yeah. Phone. There should be a yeah. No. Still got something about it.
Only just. On the Royal Enfield Shotgun now. My dad's on Indian Chief, or Indian Scout, sorry. Just gonna go for a little ponder, see how we get on. weird just sitting up so high on this bike, but it's got a bit of juice to it. Let's go. Leaving my dad behind. What do you reckon? Oh, it goes alright.
Yeah, real cool.
Is it?
Nice.
Yeah. This is so quiet, this bike.
It takes a bit of getting used to, but
Yeah, I can't even get my feet underneath the gears. Nah.
this is so like smooth, really.
Yeah, that's what this feels like too. Go on, Dad, give it some. It's just so quiet and so smooth, this bike. Just so weird sitting really high up. But yeah, for a 650, it's like a 650 twin engine. It's actually like pretty nippy, you know, like handles really nice, just a completely different riding position that I've been used to. But it's gravel, so just be careful. Oh yeah. Don't know if you just heard my dad, but he said I'm absolutely loving it. So funny. He's coming from a Suzuki V-Strom to this Indian Scout, and completely different riding style, but he's like loving his life. He said he's so glad he came out today. What a good day for it. Past the road now where I crashed my bike once before, straight into this hedge. On a 125 going flat out, just smashed it full speed, flipped over the handlebars, proper done it.
Drive careful.
Yeah, you too, yeah.
Right, see you later.
Yeah, see you later. Feels so different riding this old shovel compared to that Enfield Shotgun 650. Both great in different ways. Like this bike just has so much character, it's so manual, and it's got a little like starting technique, you know. It's just everything's kind of just fun, I think, you know. Like that Royal Enfield 650 was really good fun, but you just can't beat an old Harley in my opinion. You know, reliability wise the Enfield was rad. Started on the button, so smooth to ride, everything. My dad absolutely loved that Indian Scout. I think he's actually got his head turning a little bit thinking about whether to buy one or not, but we'll see. Got my pants pulled down, filling up the bike with a full tank of petrol. Just because of the war in Iran, like petrol and like especially diesel prices have gone like literally through the roof. They're skyrocketing. I absolutely adore this bike. The only thing that is absolutely terrifying sometimes is that the brakes are so bad. So if someone slams their brakes out in front of you, you just feel like you're going to go into the back of them all the time. And I know a lot of that is probably me riding a bit too fast, maybe not giving myself enough space in between cars or whatever, but coming off of riding a brand new demo bike with amazing brakes and everything, and then getting back onto this bike that basically has no front suspension because the fork seals are blown. And so it's got no fork oil in them at all, and I don't know if the springs are gone too. But then having no brakes, like front or back, and then you see a car slam their brakes on in front of you, you get a little bit of a butt tension moment. So Alright guys, so I just got in from that ride. It turned out to be such a beautiful day. The sun's shining, it was lovely. First of all, I just want to say how fortunate I am to be able to ride with my family. Having my dad and my brother that rides, you know, I just count my blessings for that. It's so nice to be able to get out on the road and actually do something that you all enjoy together. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, it's twin cylinder, that one, so it actually had a bit of juice, and it comes in at a price point of around £6,700. It's actually, which I think really cheap for a bike of that, like brand new, you know. It actually had a bit of juice on it. As you could see, I was giving it some, like on that ride with my dad. I really enjoyed it. There's a few things that I didn't really like, where it had that kind of hard seat that was kind of almost level with the tank. So I felt like I was kind of sat on top of it rather than like a cruiser like the Shovel. My dad was on a cruiser. He was on the Indian Scout. He absolutely loved that bike. It comes in at around about £11,000. I know Krazy Horse are doing about £1,000 off at the moment. Again, great value for money. Like, it handles really well. It's a 1250cc engine on that one. And my dad just, every time he just kept riding past, he had the biggest smile on his face saying, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I wouldn't be surprised if he trades in his Suzuki V-Strom for something like that, you know. But yeah, if you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. All of the comments really help my channel, and it's nice to see everyone coming back each week and then just leaving their thoughts on the vlog. Really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.